Hey there friends, on today's quick tech tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to save your Excel document as a PDF. Now, sharing your Excel file as a PDF is a great way to protect it from getting changed along the way when you're sharing it with a team or maybe a client. And so again, I'm going to show you how to do that here step by step. Okay, obviously you can see I have a very simple Excel document here for a sales team that potentially has logged some sales. So now I want to share this with my team without having it change. So let's go ahead and export it as a PDF that I can then email to my team. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to the top row where the Excel menu is. Now again, I'm doing this on a Mac, but it's going to look very, very similar if you're using a Windows PC. So we're going to go to File, and we're going to come down to Save As. Now once we hit that button, you can see that it opens up our File menu. So then we're going to have the opportunity to name this specific file. Obviously choose where it's going to be saved to. In this case, I'm just going to save it to my desktop. And then we come down here to the file format. And this is important. We need to change it from an Excel file by using this little down arrow to PDF. You can see there's all sorts of file formats that we can save this to. Again, we're going to concentrate on PDF. So once I click this, you can see that we can either save the entire workbook if you have multiple sheets, or you can just save one specific sheet, and that again will be the sheet that you are currently on. Okay, once everything looks good, simply click that save button, and as you can see, very quick, that file is now saved to my desktop. Okay, I've opened up that PDF from my desktop, and as you can see, it's taken away a lot of the Excel boxes that are actually hidden. It's clean, it's clear, and most importantly, the numbers aren't able to be easily changed or shifted accidentally by a team member who may be looking at this. Hope that does help, friends. If it has, please hit that thumbs up button, and then hit the subscribe button, because we do have a bunch more Excel tutorials that we're making here on the channel. Those will be released really, really soon. Thanks for watching. See you again on the next one.